Philanthropist. Meaning, noun, a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others, typically through charitable acts, donations, or efforts to benefit society. Example, the philanthropist donated a significant sum to build a new hospital in the community. Example, the local school greatly benefited from the generosity of a well-known philanthropist. Rebut. Meaning, verb, to offer arguments or evidence in opposition to a statement, claim, or argument, to refute or contradict. Example, the lawyer tried to rebut the opposing counsel's argument with strong evidence and persuasive reasoning. Example, in a debate, it's important to be prepared to rebut counterarguments effectively. Temperament. Meaning, noun, a person's natural disposition, character, or behavioral tendencies, often influenced by genetic and environmental factors. Example, the child's temperament was naturally cheerful and sociable, making friends easily. Example, a person's temperament can greatly influence their behavior and reactions to various situations. Verisimilitude. Meaning, noun, the quality of appearing or seeming to be true, real, or lifelike, the degree to which something resembles reality. Example, the film's verisimilitude to the historical period was praised by historians. Example, the novel's attention to detail and accuracy contributed to its verisimilitude. Wondrous. Meaning, adjective, extremely remarkable, extraordinary, or full of wonder, inspiring awe, amazement, or admiration. Example, the starry night sky held a wondrous display of galaxies and constellations. Example, the wondrous tales of magical creatures captivated the children's imagination. Zebrastreifen. Meaning, noun, a German term meaning zebra crossing or pedestrian crosswalk, often used in road traffic and pedestrian safety contexts. Example, Zebrastreifen is the German term for a crosswalk or pedestrian crossing, which is marked with white stripes resembling a zebra's stripes. Example, drivers must stop at the Zebrastreifen when pedestrians are waiting to cross the road. Glimmer. Meaning, noun, a faint, wavering, or unsteady light or shine, often appearing dimly or sporadically. To emit a faint or wavering light or to shine with a subdued glow. Example, in the distance, the faint glimmer of city lights could be seen through the darkness of the night. Example, the first signs of dawn brought a gentle glimmer of light to the horizon. Extraneous. Meaning, adjective, irrelevant or unrelated to the subject or matter at hand, not essential or necessary. Coming from outside or being of external origin. Example, the inclusion of extraneous information in the report made it difficult for readers to focus on the key points. Example, she urged the students to eliminate extraneous details from their essays to make their arguments more concise. Divulge. Meaning, verb, to reveal, disclose, or make known information that was previously secret, private, or unknown. Example, she hesitated to divulge her secret to anyone, fearing the consequences of revealing the truth. Example, the detective pressed the suspect to divulge information that could help solve the case. Bungling. Meaning, adjective, characterized by clumsiness, ineptitude, or a lack of skill in performing tasks or activities. Verb, to carry out a task or action in a clumsy or inept manner. Example, the bungling of the construction project led to costly delays and mistakes. Example, the bungling of the investigation raised doubts about the competence of the detective agency.